Hello, artist friends! Today we're going to do something really fun. We're going to create our own
shadow puppets.
So, in order to make shadow puppets, we need a couple of things. Black construction paper, scissors, a light colored pencil or crayon. So if you have white or light colored pencils, or if you have a white crayon, that would be great. And then you're going to need some kind of stick. This is a shish kebab stick or straw, something to attach your shadow puppet to. And some glue sticks. So step one to make shadow puppets is you have to make your drawing. So you're going to want to use a light colored pencil or crayon and black construction paper. And then you can draw a basic shape like a star or a crescent moon. You can draw an animal, the silhouette of an animal, which is the outline of the animal.
Shadow puppets.
We're making shadow puppets.
I'm making a tall shadow puppet.
I'm going to do a basic crescent moon.
I need one eye.
And star. Let's do
Ooh.
this. Here, show the people your line. Hold it up really close to the camera.
Look at the line. That's my line. So, do you need to cut it out?
Okay, so you could do basic shapes. You could do crescent moon and stars.
What's this color? Could that be mine?
And
Look at that. That's a long tail. Yeah, we're going to do all of them together.
yeah, we'll do it together. Don't worry. Step two, we are going to cut out our silhouettes. Okay? But before we cut it out, we're going to take a second sheet of paper and we're going to put it on top. So when you cut, you're actually going to cut two pieces of paper at the same time. Take my scissors. I have my piece of paper on top and I'm going to cut.
What is this, Mom?
Okay.
You did it? What do you make?
Okay. So I'm cutting it very carefully while I'm holding the two pieces of paper.
I think I can't do that.
Oh, we're going to do it together. Don't you worry. We're going to do our crescent moon next.
I'm not going to do it because I'm going to watch.
Okay, so once we're done cutting, you actually should have two crocodiles. Do we have two?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So what you're going to do now is you are going to glue. Actually, we'll do it this way so that we cover up our drawing. We're going to glue the one to the other, but in between the glue, that's where you're going to want to put your stick. Okay? So, you're going to, let me show you. You're going to put glue, okay, on the one side. You're going to put your stick in the middle. And then you're going to put glue on the other side and stick it together so that the two pieces of paper are glued together with a stick in the middle. So we're going to take a little bit of tape, we're going to put it on the straw or the stick, and then we're going to put glue on both sides and stick it together, okay? So I'm going to put a little bit of glue on this side, I'm going to put a little bit of glue on this side, and then I'm going to stick it together and making sure that our straw or our stick is sandwiched in place like this.
I made it for Mom.
You made a shadow puppet for Mama?
Yeah.
Thank you. Here, show our friends. Can you hold it up to the camera?
It's a rhino.
Here, hold it over here.
It's for you. It's a rhino for you.
Thank you. Our friends, what we made so far. Can you put it up to the
We
camera?
made alligator, crescent moon.
And what are they called? Shadow puppets.
Now I get a special treat.
What are you, some kind of lion? I'm gonna get you, lion.
Ah, hoo-ya, hoo-ya. God, you live in the ocean. So don't come back again. Ever again.
Don 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 don.
Can you do this one again? Can you do that one?
Okay. Don 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 don.